Thank you, sir. I have to watch him. All right, gotta go. Oh, he's right there. Okay, I see him. Yeah, under there. Thank you, sir. I have to watch him. All right, I gotta go. Thank you, sir. I have to watch him. Ah! Thank you, sir. I have to watch him. Got him. It's a nice one. What'd I do? Oh, there it is. This guy was so difficult, but thank you, sir, and I have to watch him. Oh. Thank you, sir. I have to watch him. You all right? Jesus, fuck. Hey, you know that's going on my YouTube?
Oh, yeah, the crash?
Yeah. Like I heard it and I was looking up because I was like, all right, I don't know if it's gonna fly this way. Then I saw the debris falling between there and I don't think I got it on camera, but I was like, what the fuck?
My brother was right there.
Yeah, I saw that. That's what I said. I don't think I got it on camera, but I don't know, maybe I kind of turned when I heard it, but because I was like, shit, if it's flying this way, I need to know which way to run.
Yeah. I was just fishing and I just see car parts like fly.
Yeah, I saw them. I don't think I got that on GoPro, but I was like, Jesus.
Third place is Mike Guzman, 61 inches. Second place is Fernando, 62 inches.
Yeah, 1 inch.
First place is Carlos with 65.
Shit, hey, that phony's paid for itself twice.
Dustin would have been in 4th place at 42, and Milo would have been 5th place at 36 and a half. So.